Okay, I've got a piece of Brazilian pepper that I'm gonna, with a burl. As you can see, this is gonna go away because I'm not cutting this in any direction. I'm just gonna turn it centered here, so this will be the top. And to make the bottom flat, this will have to go, so it'll be somewhere up here. I'm probably not going to bother sawing it off on the lathe. I'll just sawing it off on the bandsaw. I'll probably just machine it away. But there's a nice burl on there. Here you can see the bottom. This will go away. And that's about it. And I don't know what I'm going to do with the bark. Bark is interesting. We'll see if it starts coming off. It makes some very interesting character under the bark, but the bark is kind of interesting too, so we'll see. I didn't mention I'm going to use the woodworm screw, so I've got the hole here and the flat surface. I didn't machine it all the way down to wood. There's some bark under here, but that'll work. And I'm going to screw that on. And the Brazilian pepper with a couple of burls is mounted on the lathe now with the woodworm screw. This will go away because I'm going to make this the bottom, so I've got to make a tenon or a insert, a recess. But either way, I got to do something here. This will go away. Okay, I've started my tenon. I'm going to do a little bit of work here to make a little base. I've taken most of the bark off, but some more of it's still got to go. It's kind of interesting right here. It has a look to it that's neat. So I'm going to remove these bumps here of the stems. So we'll see what goes. Okay, this is a Brazilian pepper burl on a small branch. The branch is 2 or 3 inches in diameter, and the burl is 5 inches in diameter. It turned out pretty good. I left a lot of natural edge, and this feature right here is kind of interesting. That's on the side, that's within the burl, and you can kind of see the branch right here. And that's about it. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.